Something you might encounter, which you've seen here, if you see like, oh, I forgot to block out, for example, a horn right here. Whoop. Something you might notice, especially with these snakehook brushes, that you run out of geometry. You don't really have much more geometry to work with. If you get into that position, you can add more geometry, or you can remesh it again in scope mode. So if you have something like this, for example, and then you see, oh, I need a bit more. You have the remesh section right here. And if you go here, you can see you have the voxel size, just like the setting that we did before with the 0.005, 0.003, something like that. So what you can do here to make sure that we use the same resolution, we could just type it in, but I'm not exactly sure if the voxel size is the same between scope mode and the modifier. So what I like to do is just use this, the sample detail size, click this, and then it copies what it sees under the cursor from the sculpt onto here. And then, for example, we can just hit remesh again, and then it remeshes it, and then we have more geometry to work with. So this is, for example, how you can add more geometry or fix like these stretchy geometry sections.